Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. Today I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy in LinkedHelper, allowing you to automate your LinkedIn tasks anonymously. There are two ways to set up a proxy using a LinkedHelper. If you're using the browser version, begin by signing up on LinkedHelper.com. Navigate to the Proxies section on the left side. If no proxy is set, click Add Proxy. Select the protocol type, then enter the IP address in the username field and set the proxy port. Using a free proxy, enter the proxy name and click Add. For a private proxy, enter the username and password. After clicking Add, a specified proxy will appear in the dashboard ready to be linked to your desired LinkedIn account. Create accounts, and for each account you can assign a separate proxy. To add more proxies, simply click Add Proxy and repeat the process. The second method involves downloading and installing the program on your computer. Launched LinkedHelper. If you previously set a proxy in the browser version under your account, the specified proxy will be displayed in the Proxies tab. If not, click on Add Proxy. In the window that appears, set the IP and port of the proxy. For a private proxy, set the username, password, and proxy name. Click Test and then Add. The program will check the proxy for operation, and if it's working, you'll see a notification. The proxy will appear in the dashboard, and you can now use it with your LinkedIn accounts. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend the reliable and trusted provider ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.